River Road west, then take the second right.
Thank you, Lord, with a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord, I just want to thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord. Hold me closely to the side, we will make a way. I know the wilderness you lead me. So close to my God, don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my...
Hi guys, tayo ay mag-refuel muna. Nandito na ako sa may approaching border ng Colorado. Nebraska pa ako ngayon. Mga 30 kilometers, welcome center na ng Colorado. Ako ay mag-refuel muna kasi lagpas na ng 1/2 on duty fuel. Ang destination ko ay 1,881 kilometers na lang. Expected time arrival ko bukas alas 4 ng hapon, Sunday. Ngayon ay Saturday. Ito ay pang-apat na araw ko na mula nung ako ay nag-depart sa Ontario, Canada, doon sa Brookville.
turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got
Left to stay on I-70 West.
Next 1 mile, truck stay in low gear.
living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. All I need, better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. All I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Hours and 29 minutes until you exceed the 11-hour driving limit, in accordance with the USA Federal Hours of Service Regulation, Section 395.3(3)(I).
In 2.5 kilometers, take exit 75 on the right toward Parachute.
Half a mile. Take exit 75.
Take exit
toward Parachute
75
Mountain
on the
Mesa.
right toward Parachute. Arriving at Parachute rest area. Take
Turn
the
right
ramp
on
ahead.
County Road 215, then turn left on East 1st Street.
You have 0 hours and 5 minutes of remaining drive time.
Hi guys, wala akong makitang maparkingan doon sa yung rest area na sinasabi. O dito na lang ako sa gilid ng rampa. Wala namang nakalagay na no parking. Ang naiwan sa oras ko ay 5 minutes na lang bago mag violation timing. Po straight muna. Andito ako sa may Colorado pa. Ang target ko kanina is doon sa Utah, may border Colorado, Utah. Pero natagalan ako doon sa yung pag-akyat ng mga mountain doon sa after Denver, Colorado. Ako ay na-delay, hindi na inabot ng oras ko. Ang bagal ng traffic kanina, yung paakyat. Ang oras dito ay alas 4:49. Sa Toronto alas 6:49. Sa California 3 oras atras.